Hi there! Welcome to SEL Storytime with Counselor Keri. Let's get ready for another story. Sometimes I feel scared. There are so many feelings. All of my feelings are okay. Sometimes I feel scared. It's okay to feel scared. Everyone feels scared sometimes. Scared is a feeling we have when something unexpected happens, or when there is a loud noise near us. Scared is a feeling we have when we try something we've never done before that feels hard, or when we see something we're afraid will hurt us. Scared is a feeling we have when someone uses a loud voice or big body actions and we don't know what will happen next, or when someone says scary things to us. Scared is a feeling we have when we see danger, or when we think we might be in danger. When I feel scared, I might want to curl up and hide. When I feel scared, I might want to yell or cry. When I'm scared, my body might feel tense or tight. When I feel scared, it might be hard to think, talk, or act. When I feel scared, it's okay to tell someone how I feel. I can ask for help. When I feel scared, I can help myself feel better by taking slow, deep belly breaths. When I feel scared, I can find someone I trust and tell them how I feel. When I feel scared, I can look for adults who help me and know what to do. When I feel scared, I can say calming phrases to myself. I can find a safe person. When I feel scared, I can give myself a tight hug. When I feel scared, I can remember that there are people who want to help me. Everyone feels scared sometimes. It's okay to feel scared. Fear comes and goes. It doesn't last forever. What helps you feel better when you're scared? Be sure to subscribe for more SEL Storytime favorites.